Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have today in my shop 2015 Prius V with only 103,000 miles. This is incredible vehicle, serves the owner super awesome, and the owners even modified, they lifted it, I did the work for them, and they go camping a lot. Apparently, they recently had a flat tire. Not sure what happened, and they needed the spare. And as they were digging it out to use it on their vehicle, they discovered something. They said, it looks like our hybrid battery is leaking. They're very concerned about this, and they want me to look at this issue. Now, vehicle is here because of this visual situation which you are looking at right now. That's why they brought it in. There's no drivability issue whatsoever, no check engine lights, no nothing. This looks pretty scary. And I looked, and it also looks under. When they sent me one picture and they said we want to make appointment, I said, hey, I hope that's just some kind of spill from the vehicle, from the trunk. But as I'm removing all these parts, I didn't actually see any spill of the food and soda or anything what was possibly in the trunk. I don't see it. It will have to be clear water, which will maybe cause all of this. But it's, as I said, it seems to be also underneath the battery over there. It looks pretty bad. So this is what I'm dealing with today. Before taking it apart and looking inside of the hybrid battery, I knew there's no any check engine light or anything. So I immediately took the scanner and did entire vehicle scan. This is the health check by this little launch. And guys, unlike on Mercedes-Benz, which is standing outside, if you health check every single computer on these German produced machines, Mercedes, BMW, Audi, you will have probably 25 codes in different computers. This is complicated vehicle. It has so many modules too. This is not behind in technology. However, there is only two codes that are related to the tire pressure system. And we just said, correct, there was a problem with a flat tire. So I don't know if the service damaged the transmitters or something. It basically has two codes. C2124 cannot receive data from transmitter ID 4, and the other code is for transmitter ID 4. It's totally possible that the service who was dealing with flat damage one of the transmitters. That's, guys, the only code on entire car. Every single other computer has zero problems, zero codes. And now we know why I didn't see any check engine light or anything in the instrument cluster. So I'm done with this, and please watch this video, but don't do what I do, huh? This is only for certified techs who has training for it, so please don't ever work on the hybrid systems yourself. And I'm looking for any possible spill maps or traces of any possible spills. I see a sand from that active lifestyle when you go into nature and camping. I don't see the traces of spills. I'm looking if the hybrid battery sits in the lake of water, which it was common on previous generation, but it's not. I will say all I see is that sand and the dirt and dust. However, this is hardcore and we have to figure out what the heck is going on here. This is very unusual. I never saw it so bad before. Sure, I saw some little bit of, like here maybe, but not this. This is way too much and I wonder what is this material. So not bad. This is giving up pretty easily. Probably leave it right here. And now I will get inside of the car. Let's see what kind of magic is hiding here for us. Oh wow. Yep. I don't think this is an external leak. All this I will just show you. I'm afraid that's a hybrid battery pack leak. I will go handheld first, and then maybe later for the super detail I could put it on the tripod and zoom on it, on the details of this mayhem. This is not good. I'm losing hope that this is external. I'm afraid it's internal. If you look on this side, there's nothing on the other side. You can grab a light and look, but this looks all just related to this line of the cells. Here is the other side. Sorry. There's none of that present right here. Here may be another detail using the lens differently. Hopefully this gives you a good idea what I am looking at. I removed the one more panel for this inspection, and the flooding, the leak is all over here. It continued on top of that flat metal part. There's no burn or no damages on the computer. There's no rust or anything on the contacts, on the main ones and so on. So it seems to be all of it was just flowing. It was not coming from above, but it was part of spill on this level. This is what you see when you look underneath that battery. See that crazy mess which is there? This definitely looks seriously like a large leak. So much of this stuff, it's here. The rust, it's severe, it's underneath it. And here is your maintenance guide, which is normally in the vehicle. And if you look at it, the hybrid system has a 96 months, 100,000 miles, whatever comes first. And it says right here, hybrid system warranty. This warranty covers repairs needed to correct defects in materials or workmanship of the components listed here and supplied by Toyota, subject to exceptions which are later on pages 14-15. Battery control module, hybrid battery, hybrid control module, inverter with converter. Coverage is 96 months or 100,000 miles, whichever occurs first. Considering everything what we saw today, I will not clean it, not tinker with it. I will put it back exactly the way it is. And I will recommend them go to see dealer. This is a huge liability for all of us, obviously. You have to understand if this catches on fire, it can kill people. So I hope if they go to the dealer, show it to them and consider the fact they are maybe 3,000 miles out of warranty. I hope Toyota can take care of them. And it will be interesting to do follow-up on this story. So this is what I will do. Put it all back. Gave them the info. And if, or there will be actually continuity, I will have this footage and we will touch it up in the future video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please give it a thumb up. Stay tuned, I have way more coming your way soon. I will see you later, my friend.